My name is Brian Holland, Koenig Equipment, John Deere dealer. This is a 2038R, and today we're going to be talking about how to disconnect and reconnect the AutoConnect 72-inch mower deck. We'll also be removing the 220R loader, self-parking. This John Deere 2038R has cut command, and the first thing we'll need to do is release the gauge wheels so that we can lower the deck shell all the way to the ground. Next, we'll go ahead and get on the tractor and lower the mower deck. The John Deere 72-inch cut command is equipped with a dial to control the deck height. The first thing we'll need to do is rotate this dial to 0. This is the position it needs to be in to remove the deck. Once the mower deck shell is all the way on the ground, we'll need to dismount the tractor and release the safety latches. We first will pull this clip. The arrow shows the direction in which to rotate that arm to release the mower deck. The deck releases are on both sides of the tractor. Now we're ready to remove the mower deck. Make sure you select four-wheel drive so that we can climb over the deck with ease. Once you hear that click, that is the sound of the drive shaft releasing from the gearbox. At this point, we'll want to raise the deck carrier for clearance when we back over the mower deck. Rotate the dial and pull the lever back. Now we're ready to back over the mower deck. This is where you can see the entire top of your mower deck. If you remove the tractor from the deck, take a moment to clean off all excessive grass, lubricate your spindles, check your gearbox oil. Now we'll demonstrate how easy it is to put the deck back on the machine. The next step is to lower the carrier down so the drive shaft will line up with the gearbox. Now that we have heard the latch and we know our drive shaft is lined up, we can raise the mower deck, we can install our clips and reset our gauge wheels. Insert the safety clip so that the deck latch cannot have any chance of releasing the deck while bouncing across a rough surface. We're going to reset our gauge wheels for our deck height. I have got it set at number 3. We want to raise our gauge wheels just slightly so that the wheels still rotate. This is an important step because you do not want the gauge wheels all the way on the ground. You want them off the ground slightly just to raise the deck if they encounter a high spot. Let the machine carry the deck. The gauge wheels are not designed to be used as cut height. Don't forget to put your clip in. We are safely ready to engage the deck and go mow. Hey, what if it's a little wet out? We don't want the loader on. It's a little too heavy right now. I'll show you how easy it is to take that loader off. We start the tractor, lower the boom on our loader until we see the front of the tractor raised slightly. This takes the pressure off the latch. Just lean forward. There's one latch on each side of the tractor. Once both latches have been released, make sure your tractor is in neutral and pull back on the lever like you're going to lift the loader. You'll see the park stand lower and the loader frame comes off of the tractor. Release any pressure on the hydraulic lines by moving the loader joystick back and forth several times. When the loader no longer moves, you know you've got all the pressure released. Each one of our hydraulic lines is color-coded, so you know where they go back. You have a cap and a cover for each. Once you disconnect them, put the caps and covers on both sides. Just pull this over out of your way, and you're ready to go use the tractor without the loader. Now I'll show you how quick and easy it is to put the loader back on the machine. And that's all there is to it. So now you know how to remove the mower deck and the loader from the 2038R tractor. You can see how easy it is to switch between implements so the tractor is ready to do what you need to when you need to. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe and watch more videos from Koenig Equipment.